Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about certain useful idioms which may help you out in your everyday speech. Now idioms are always interesting to learn about whenever you learn a particular language. Although it might feel a certain level of difficulty during the inception stages, but it will greatly help you in order to understand a language clearly. Now let us have a look at some of these idioms. The very first one is by the skin of your teeth. This means to do something within the smallest possible amount of time. For example, if I say, Ria boarded the flight by the skin of her teeth. Second one is to have butterflies in your stomach. What do you mean by it? It means when someone is in a state of nervous or excited state. For example, if I say, George had butterfly in his stomach because he is expecting his semester results. Third one is to hit the hay. To hit the hay means if someone is in a state of, they are extremely tired and they can't do anything and they want to go to sleep. So that is the condition where we use the idiom hit the hay. Next one is to face the music. What do you mean by facing the music? It means to face the reality. For example, if I say, you have committed the mistake, so you need to face the music. Next one is a tough cookie. Now, a tough cookie is used to refer to a person who has a strong level of determination, who is emotionally as well as physically strong. For example, David is a tough cookie. He gets deviated from his aim even when people criticize him. Next one is to cost an arm and a leg. What does it mean? It means to engage yourself in an expensive activity or to buy something which is largely expensive. For example, Sophia's wedding gown cost an arm and a leg. Next one is break the leg. Break the leg literally does not mean to break your leg, but it is to offer someone good luck before they get onto a stage for a performance. So if I say, I hope your performance goes well, break the leg. Next one is up in the air. What do you mean by up in the air? Up in the air is used to refer to a situation where the decision is uncertain or unsure. For example, Job's medical condition is up in the air. That means we cannot predict what would happen. So these were some of the idioms which you could make use in your daily life as a routine, as a part of your life whenever you're using your English language, which will definitely help you in order to enhance your language skills. I hope it was useful and informative. Thank you.